So here is how to change the filter on the HVAC unit right next to the water heater. There are two locking tabs. One is this one and the other is this one. All you need to do is slide it here, this one here, and remove this. This is the filter. It has a size of 16 by 20. Just pull it out. All of the filter will come out like this. When you have the new filter, just insert it in like this. Make sure you just insert it this much so that next time taking it out is easier. Put this closing lid back. Insert this side up. This side goes like this. This, and it is done. So the old filter you can throw away. You have to do this once a month. Thanks.